In this guide, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can delete all emails here in Gmail. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Gmail content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to delete all your emails in Gmail, begin by opening up Gmail and going to your inbox. Up in the top left, you're going to want to go ahead and find this select box just like so. Go ahead and select it, and it's going to select all of your stuff. But if you actually hit this arrow just to the right of it, you can actually select all conversations to grab every single email in your inbox. Now simply go ahead and find the trash icon just like so, and select it to delete all of your emails. Keep in mind, this is just going to move them to your trash. They're not going to be fully gone yet. So in this left-hand menu, go ahead and find the More button, click on it, and then select Trash. And you're going to want to do the exact same thing. So select the select box, and then go ahead and hit the little arrow, hit all, and then go ahead and delete forever, just like so. It's going to go ahead and load for a minute, and then it's going to delete all of your emails. Just keep in mind, once you do empty this bin, those emails are gone forever. There's no way to get them back. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.